today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a seamless fade effect between two images using GIMP. If you're new to this, don't worry. We'll take it step by step, ensuring you understand each part of the process. So grab your images and get ready to transform them beautifully. First, let's begin by opening GIMP. You might be familiar with this popular and free image editing software. If not, it's easily downloadable online and very user-friendly, especially for tasks like these. Once you have it open, you're ready to start working on your project. Now, the key to adding a fade effect is layering two images on top of each other. Start by uploading the two images you want to blend. You can do this by going to File and selecting Open as Layers to bring both images into the same project. Remember, the order in which you add the images will impact which one appears on top, and this is crucial for the fade effect to work correctly. Next, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your layers, each representing one of the images you've added. Right-click on the image layer that sits on top, and from the context menu that appears, choose Add Layer Mask. Adding a layer mask is essentially creating a mask on that image so we can control which parts of the image are transparent. It's important to ensure the mask layer is active. Look for a white box appearing next to your image thumbnail, confirming it's selected. The gradient tool is our main star for this fade. Select the gradient tool from the toolbox on the left, or by pressing G on your keyboard. Make sure that your foreground and background colors are set to black and white. This color choice is crucial because black reveals the transparency, while white maintains opacity, giving you control over which parts of the top image blend into the one beneath. Now here comes the fun part. Click and drag across the image where you want the fade to occur. For example, if you want a smooth left to right fade, click on the left side of the image and drag a line to the right. As you do this, you'll see your top image begin to merge gracefully into the background image thanks to the mask adjusting which parts are visible. And just like that, you have a stunning fade effect. This technique can be incredibly useful for creating dramatic visuals, combining elements from different images, or simply experimenting with your artistic flair. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to grasp. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different gradients and images. Thanks for watching and happy editing.